Hey everyone, welcome back. So in this video, we're going to work on scrolling the div to the bottom when the message is load. Now if I go to the localhost server and go to my messages, so you can see the messages do not scroll automatically to the end of the page. So we're going to change this behavior. Inside our VS Code, inside the messages page, I'm going to create a new function here. So const scroll div to bottom. And inside this, we're going to receive a div ref. So inside here, it is just going to be a simple function div ref dot current not equals to null and div ref dot current dot scroll into view. And inside this, it is going to be a behavior property. It is going to be smooth and save. So now we are going to create a ref inside this function component const div ref use ref, and we are going to pass this ref inside the message. Inside the return statement, we have the message component div ref, and now let's open this and receive. And on this div right here with the class of bubble wrapper, we are going to give it a ref of the div ref. So now back to our messages page. When we are loading the messages inside this use vec right here, when the messages are loaded, after we are setting the open chat id dot current, we are going to call this function. So div ref dot current and scroll div to bottom, and we are going to pass in the div ref inside this. This is going to be when the messages are loaded. I'm going to create a new use effect here. So below this, and this is the last one, I promise. I know we have created a lot of use effects here. And this one is going to be when the messages change. So when the messages state changes, so here we're going to check if messages dot length is greater than 0. Then we're going to call this function and pass in the div ref. So now if I go back to my localhost server and refresh, and now you can see the messages are already scrolled. And if I go back and load the messages page again, go to the chat, you can see the messages are already scrolled to the bottom. And if I send it a new message, let's send another one, and you can see the div automatically scrolls to show the new message. And again, the div automatically scrolls to the bottom. So this was all for this video. In the next video, I'm going to show you how we're going to delete a message. So I will see you there.